In this video, I'll guide you through how to write with AI in Google Workspace using the Gemini engine. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a polished draft and how to turn your rough ideas into clear professional writing without leaving Google Docs. Let's start with how things work in 2026. Gemini is now built directly into Google Workspace as your AI co-author. Instead of jumping between different tools or copying and pasting text, you'll work with two main features inside Google Docs, the Help Me Create sidebar and the Help Me Write floating icon. Both of these are powered by Gemini, and each one is helpful in slightly different situations. Imagine you're opening a brand new Google Doc and staring at a blank page. This is where the Help Me Create sidebar really shines. On that blank document, you'll see a Help Me Create button, or you can click the matching icon to open the sidebar on the right. Once it's open, you'll notice that this isn't just a simple text box. The sidebar can pull in context from across your entire Google Workspace, which means it can look at your other docs, sheets, and more to help you write something that fits what you're already working on. For example, you might type in a request like draft a project proposal based on the notes in my Q1 planning doc and the budget sheet. Gemini will scan those files, understand the key points, numbers, and goals, and then generate a first draft of your proposal directly in your current document. The result is usually a fully formatted draft with headings, sections, and structure that feel very close to something you could share. It's important to treat this as a starting point, not a final answer. Take a moment to read through what Gemini creates. Tweak the wording so it matches your tone, adjust any details that need to be more precise, and remove anything that doesn't apply. Think of Gemini as a fast collaborator that gets you from zero to a solid draft in one step, so you can spend your time improving instead of starting from scratch. Now, let's look at the second way to write with Gemini in Google Docs, the Help Me Write floating icon. This option is especially helpful when you already have some text in your document or when you want to quickly generate a specific piece of writing. On the left margin of your document, you'll see a small sparkle pencil icon. Click that and a prompt box will appear. Here, you can describe exactly what you need. For instance, you could type, write a job description for a senior marketing manager with a focus on SEO and social media. Gemini will then create a tailored job description based on that prompt and insert it into your document. Just like before, this is your first draft. Read it carefully, update the responsibilities, requirements, and tone so they match your company or project, and make sure every detail is accurate. You can also refine it further by editing the text yourself or by prompting Gemini again with more specific instructions. By using the Help Me Create sidebar to build documents from your existing workspace content and the Help Me Write icon to generate or refine specific sections, you turn Google Docs into a powerful AI-assisted writing environment. The more clearly you describe what you want and the more you fine-tune what Gemini gives you, the better your final document will become.